Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are at the Aditya Varman Museum. This museum is one of the place to preserve Minangkabau cultural heritage, and now we will explore this museum. But before we explore it, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Raihan Rajali Noves.
I am Shahil Ahda Elviro.
I am Raquel Aido Dinata.
I am Muhammad Febrian Al-Hafiz.
I am Muhammad Firmansyah.
So everyone, now we are in the room on the left side of the first floor. This room is known as a Minang traditional wedding room. This is the appearance of Minang traditional wedding days, where we can see the bride, who is called Anak Daro, and the groom, who is called Marapulai. Next, there are weapons used during the Great War, namely the Padri people led by Datuk Bandaro and the Adat people led by Datuk Sati. And this war is also known as the Bonjol War. This is a connecting road between the left and the right side and also contains various kind of history and customs of the Minangkabau people. So now we are in the right room. This room contains traditional clothing, weapons, hunting tools, and the most interesting thing is a replica of a village in Minangkabau in ancient time. By the way guys, this is the Bundokan Duang cloth, which symbolizes the role of a mother in the family and society. This clothing consists of tingkulwa, head covering, baju kurung, sas, sarong or kodek, and jewelry. In this section, my teacher explained that in ancient time, life was full of magic. As you can see, this is what the right side of the room looks like. Now we wanna go to the ground floor. Let's go. Welcome to the ground floor. In this room, there is a replica of the traditional house, traditional clothes, jewelry, and also the most well-known, the bridal suntiang. And now, my teacher will explain everything.
Tapi ada mana-mana. Ini kayaknya replika nih, aslinya kain tapi dia keras kayak tali gitu. Kayaknya tulisan ini deh punya di rumah.
Ini ketinggalan apa?
Ya. Ini ketinggalan.
Oh iya, ketinggalan.
Yang mana senjata-senjata?
Ini apa enggak?
Nah, padahal kayak ini cuma normal. Ketemu kalian di 18 warna biru. Ini gambarnya kan? Ditambah cewek.
Next, we go to the another section. In this room, we first see the attribute of clothing, stone that function as axe, pottery, pistols, sword, and various type of launcher. I almost forgot that this is a tool used to make coffee, but the coffee is made from dried coffee leaf. Many people now eat the kawa leaf coffee. Maybe you are curious about the person who has been with us all this time. Yup, he is a very good math teacher. Not only does he know the math formula, but he also knows the history of all the collection in this museum. He is great.
Can I call you Rose? 'Cause your fragrance takes over the room. 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. 'Cause you're sweet like a flower Can I call you Rose? 'Cause your fragrance takes over the room. 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're fragrant.
Now we're gonna move on to the backyard. In the backyard, there are 3 replicas of menhirs, which are relics from prehistoric times that were used to worship ancestral spirits. First, there is a replica of the giant statue of Archa Bhairava, which is thought to be the embodiment of Aditya Varman. This statue is depicted as a terrifying giant as the embodiment of negative desire, such as the left hand holding a bowl of human skull filled with human blood and the right hand carrying a dagger. And the statue is depicted stepping on a dwarf lying on his back, and there are 8 skulls lined up depicting a field of corpses. Next, we go to the another replica. Number 2 is a replica of the Sarua Sowan inscription issued by King Aditya Varman, which contains a consecration ceremony. Number 3 is a replica of a menhir from historical times made of stone. Now we will go to the last part of this video.
Call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom.
Last but not least, we arrive at the last room in this video, which is the Minangkabau Randang exhibition room.
Takes over.
In this room, there are various types of rendang and their recipes.
'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom.
And there is also a meaning of rendang and the philosophy of rendang. And also available various types of spices or ingredients for making rendang.
'Cause your fragrance takes over the room. 'Cause you're sweet like a flower.
Soda.
Can I call you Rose? 'Cause your fragrance takes over the room. 'Cause you're sweet like a flower.
So after that, we went back to the first floor.
'Cause you're sweet like a flower.
Before we go out, we can take a look at the miniature of this museum.
Can I call you Rose?
Look at this view.
Takes over the room.
And finally, we finish our museum trip.